be a word.
Okay.
I would describe it in a name.
Okay.
And that's God.
Wow.
Okay.
Napaano daw kami napawa?
Wala na kaming sagot.
Natahimik daw kami, kainis.
Hindi, pero biyak sila, yung sa 7 year, naniniwala ka ba doon sa 7 year?
Mga 7 years.
Napag-usapan niyo ba yun?
Of course, napag-usapan naman po namin. And together with yung other couples and older couples that we are really good friends with. Isa po yan sa mga hot topics, lalo na nalagpasan pa lang namin, or syempre before we celebrated, palagpas pa lang. So, I believe that the 7-year itch doesn't really have an exact definition, and I think it also really depends on the couple, on the person. It might not be for everyone, but it depends. Parang para sa amin po kasi, every year naman, actually even every day, may problema at may problema talaga. Wala namang perfectong relasyon. But it really depends on how you resolve the problem together and kung paano ninyo pipiliin ng paulit-ulit yung isa't isa kahit sa mga panahon na hindi ninyo mahal ang isa't isa. So I think regardless of the time, regardless of the length, kahit naman po pag may anak na, kakaproblema pa rin. So siguro, I don't know, para sa amin it doesn't apply for us. I guess case-to-case basis.
Kaya yung iba, pag before mag 7 years, napapakasal na para wala na.
Maunahan. Maunahan. Awa ng Diyos, salamat po. Hindi naman po namin kinailangang unahan ng kasal para strong naman po kami sa ngayon.